so like, what? What?
Please welcome Daysha Veronica.
Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat.
Yes.
So I'm a Leo. So I grew up in Cambridge. I did like dance classes, theater classes. I remember I did this like video class. I was always really into just like trying weird kind of stuff. So I actually went to boarding school for high school.
Whoa.
I loved it. And then from there, I went to Scripps College, which is out here in Claremont. Actually, you know what's so funny is that I actually initially didn't want to live in California. And I was like, good luck. It's gonna break off in an earthquake and I'm gonna be in New York or somewhere. But I ended up out here. I majored in media studies and psychology.
We both worked at BuzzFeed together for a bit, and we met because you kind of did a little bungee on Tasty, and you did one of my favorite series that is so underappreciated, Tasty in Our Roots.
I know.
She was like the lead producer on it, and basically like you guys went all around the U.S., went to like Black-owned restaurants, and like really showcased like some amazing food that a lot of people don't get to like really witness or appreciate.
Yeah.
It was so great. Describe what Yes Queen life is for people who may not understand what your kind of side project is.
Yeah. So Yes Queen was basically like this project that I had in my head because I would get a lot of these messages from fans who were like, oh my gosh, you're so confident, you believe in yourself so much and what you say, and like I want to be like that, and like I'd be like, who are you talking to?
Yeah.
You know, but like for me, confidence was like Beyonce.
Right.
You know, it had a look, it had a feel, it had a thing that I was like, that's not me. To get that constantly made me think, okay, well, if people perceive this thing about me and I don't feel like I'm that, then like, you know, what am I missing? It's a blog, but it's also something bigger than that, where like I'm kind of exploring what self-confidence looks like in various areas of my life. And so like when I think about empowerment, it's literally to give power. And like to me, I'm like, I'm not giving you anything that you don't already have. Like I meet women.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I meet women and people all the time where I'm just like, just by talking to them, I can clearly see that they have a sense of power and confidence to them. It's just about massaging it and bringing it out, but it's already there. So to me, it's more so about affirmations and about connecting people and bringing that inner power that they have to the surface. So
I like that.
yeah, I think both sides of my family would be very proud of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So which is your mom Bajan, your dad Bajan, or is which is Nigerian, which is
Yes.
Bajan?
So my mother is Bajan
Yeah.
and my dad is Nigerian.
Got it.
Yes.
And have you gotten to visit either of them before?
So I grew up going to Barbados. I haven't been to Nigeria yet, but it's on the list. When I'm not in grad school or broke.
Yeah, I feel that. A lot of people were asking, like, because they've obviously seen you from BuzzFeed, so what is one of the favorite videos that you did while you were still there?
Oh my goodness, this is like asking me to choose between one of my kids.
Yeah.
I never have an answer. I will say, it's not necessarily a particular video, but I do think that I really valued that they let me explore doing spoken word while I was there.
Yes, those were good.
So I would say it's so hard to choose between any one of them, but like getting to do my spoken word videos, I think were my favorite part of that experience.
Because there was like, what, 3 or 4, or how many was there?
I think I did 5?
5? Okay.
4 or 5.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't too far off.
Yeah. I mean, I don't even remember. Matthew, they look so good.
Yes. So these right in front of us are something that Daysha requested. They are Bajan fish cakes from Barbados, and we also have a traditional Barbados pepper sauce. So you dip them in. These have a little bit of heat, but they're really more about like the salt cod, right?
Yeah.
But you want some more like turmeric-y, mustardy, peppery sauce with it. Ooh.
I am so impressed.
Really?
Like, yeah, this looks like something that I would get. Like, they look so authentic. Like, this is so good. Can I?
Yes, please. And also we have some wine, okay?
Yeah.
I never regret a decision I make if it's on my own. Like, if it was my choice, I learned from it.
Yeah, because like at the end of the day, when you trust your gut, like you trust yourself. And I think it's just like having that relationship with yourself to say that like, I know what's best for me.
Here we go.
You even got the plantain.
Yes.
Matthew, come through.
You have to have a little bit of side.
This is like the best like meal I've had. It's so like, it just feels like home.
Yay.
Oh my goodness. And it smells so good.
Well, good. I'm glad I'm making you happy.
Yeah.
It's all to make you feel good, make you be vulnerable, warm up, and you know, I just feel like food is the way to people's soul. Thanks for hanging out with us. You know, I want us to be the friends who can enjoy dinner with you, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Yay. Great job.
This was so fun.
Good. And now we
It's
just
so good. I'm so proud of you.